Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. Today I am going to explain how to write commands in C#. Let's first understand what are commands. Commands are used to tell what specific lines of code do. The C# compiler ignores the commands, so you can include them anywhere in the code. Commands can be used to document the program or explain the functionality of a particular method or function. There are two types of commands, single line command and multi-line commands. Any line of text which is preceded by double forward slash will be treated as a command by the compiler. This type of command is called single line command, and any line of text which starts with forward slash star and ends with star forward slash will also be treated as a command. This type of command is called multi-line commands. Now let's switch to Visual Studio to understand the same practically. Here I have created a simple console application. This console application contains a method called calculate area of triangle. I have also written a command which tells what this function does. Here I have preceded this command with double forward slash, that is I have used single line command syntax. You can also do the same with multi-line command syntax. Just start the command with forward slash star and ends the same with star forward slash. So this will also be treated as a command by the compiler. I have also included a screenshot for both types of commands. Remember these things while writing commands. You should write commands only whenever necessary. Do not write unnecessary commands. You should avoid harsh commands. Always use polite language. You should write commands in a way that can be understood by programmers as well as non-programmers. You should use single line of command syntax for small line of text and use multi-line command syntax for long line of text. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to turn on the notification.